Hello dear student, this is Rajesh sir. We are going to provide video solutions on my YouTube channel MPC by Rajesh sir. Just you can send the picture of your question paper on given WhatsApp number 9553979427. Given that, let's. The question is given that cos theta is equal to root 3 by 2. Then the value of cosec square theta minus secant square theta upon cosecant square theta plus secant square theta is what? Option Option A minus 1, option B 1, option C 1 by 2, option D minus 1 by 2. This is the question of term 1 CBSE 10th class. And this question is obviously you know very well, this is the question is comes from the trigonometry. I hope you can do it. So now we are going to provide the video solution how we can solve this type of question. This is the most repeated question most of the students ask this video solution. So now we are going to solve. Just you can take this cosecant square theta upon cosecant square minus secant square theta upon cosecant square theta plus secant square theta. Now what we will do? This is the cosecant square theta and this is secant square theta. Whatever given the questions, just you can convert sine and cos. So my target cosecant convert into sine and secant has to convert into cos. Let's. So cosecant convert means 1 by sine square theta minus 1 by cos square theta divided by same thing here also 1 by plus 1 by cos square theta. Now just do the simple mathematics like 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. So how we are doing? Just LCM, denominator LCM. Similarly we will do here. Sin square theta and cos square LCM is the sin square theta into cos square theta. So numerator will become as sin cancel means cos square theta. So cos square theta minus sin square theta. Similarly, you can do numerator also, denominator also, same thing. So here sin cos. So sin square, same thing just we will do. No, here will come sin square theta. So now you can see here denominator, numerator, first term denominator is sin square theta cos square theta. Here also sin square theta cos square theta. So denominator will be the cancel. Whatever the remaining term, so numerator will be cos square theta minus sin square theta upon cos square theta plus sin square theta. Okay, and you know very well one rule. Take the second page. This we know very well. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. We can write from here also sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. This is just a normal mathematics. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. You know very well. and this is also one formula. From the first formula we get the second formula. Sin square theta plus cos theta is 1. So sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Now what we will do? Just sin square theta plus cos theta is equal to 1. So take this question, sin square theta, you can write the cos square or sin, both are same. 1 plus 2 or 2 plus 1. 1 plus 2, like 1 plus 1 or 1 plus 2 or 2 plus 1, both are the same meaning. So here denominator become as a 1. So what is your remaining term? This is just formula we have it, no matter. So right here cos square theta minus sin square theta. This is the term. Okay, fine. Now you can solve here two way. So first simple way you can write from that question is given, from this question is given cos theta is equal to root 3 by 2. So you can just write here one triangle. We are only going to write it. Just write here one triangle, and this triangle is cos theta is equal to root 3 by 2. So cos theta is nothing but if you take the theta, this is the theta angle, this is the theta angle. So if this is the theta angle, this is your opposite, this is adjacent, this is your hypotenuse. So cos theta is equal to what? Adjacent by hypotenuse. So this is your root 3, this is your hypotenuse. So if you will solve here Pythagoras theorem, so you will get here, you can just keep the A, B and C. What about the AB? So AB is equal to root under root 3 square plus 2 square. Yeah, this only we wrote. Here we have 3 plus how much here? Here will come the minus. One minute. We wrote the a little bit wrong. What is the formula? AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So according to that we need the AB. So AB square is equal to what? AC square minus BC square. So AB is equal to what? Root under AC. How much AC? AC given how much? AC 2 square minus root 3 whole square. So you can get here 4 minus 3. So root 1. So it will become as a 1. So AC is equal to 1. We got here. So this is your 1 will come. So cos theta is equal to root 3 by 2. From that we can find the sin theta also. So find the sin theta very well. Sin theta is equal to what? Opposite by hypotenuse means 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Okay, fine. 1 by 2. Cos theta, sin theta we got. Cos square theta minus sin square theta. So both value is given. Do it here, same thing. Like you can take this equation number 1. So equation 1 we are going to solve cos square theta minus sin square theta. So here cos means root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 whole square minus sin means here given, already given here 1 by 2. Look at, I am trying to solve the very easiest way, not difficult way. So each and every student can easily understand. So here will come 3 by square root cancel and 2 square will become as a 4. Here minus 1 square 1. Here 2 square is 4. So we can solve here LCM will 4 for LCM 4 will come. So 3 minus 1 it will become as a 2 by 4. So after solve solution you can get 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 your final answer. So 1 by 2 your final answer. So look at here, where is the 1 by 2? So option C. Option C is correct answer. correct is C option. C option is the correct answer. 1 by 2 is the correct option. Thank you. If you want to check like a screenshot, you can take the screenshot of a whole and copy this question with solution. I'm trying to solve very easiest way. I hope this is the easy way. Each and every student can easily understand. Yeah, this is little bit difficult question. So that is the reason most of the student send this picture to solve. If anywhere, if you have doubt, means you can ask from this WhatsApp number. You can send you the picture of doubt area. I will explain again. If you are the student of me, or if you are a student of any other institution or schools, colleges, whatever, no problem. Just you can send the on this WhatsApp number. I will provide you the video solution. How did you write your board exam? You can comment on comment section. How did you write your board exam? Is it well or average or good? One more thing, if you want the personal tuition, just WhatsApp on this number. I am providing the tuition MPC, Maths, Physics, Chemistry up to IIT JEE level. If you are the student of 10th class, 10th board, 9th, 8th, 11th, 12th, so we are providing MPC, Maths, Physics, Chemistry for 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th. 8th to 10th we are going to provide. And if you want to like home tutor, I am providing home tutor also. Best home tutor I will provide. If possible, if time is available, I can only attend your tuition at your home. Otherwise, I will send other tutor. Best tutor, obviously best tutor I will. If you want to take the online tuition, I will provide personal individual online tuition also. Thank you.